Guys, it's Mike here with Growing Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another episode of What's in the Tent. Again, my name is Michael. I'm an indoor hydroponic grower. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. Also, everything that you see here is available in the links down below. So, we're going to take a look at what we have going on here. It's been approximately a week since I talked to you guys and I actually set everything up here and put the nutrients in. Look at the growth. Unbelievable, right? Once I get behind that camera, I'm going to take you to a close look inside. We're going to take a closer, deep look at the veg that's growing. It actually looks incredible, beautiful, green, just nice, thick, healthy looking veg. Nothing like you'll ever find at the supermarket. So, enough said. Come with me. Let's take a closer look and let's see what I can how I can motivate you to grow like this. Alright guys, enough playing around, enough playing around. Let's take a look at what we got going on. Unbelievable growth. Truly unbelievable. It's been a week since I put the nutrients in. Whew. Take a look at this veg. Right now is the time to eat this. Literally, I'm probably going to have a mega salad tomorrow. And the next day, and the next day. Literally, this camera, when I actually turn it on, as you can see, the actual lens is completely hidden behind this massive, massive lettuce head. It's actually hilarious. I'm going to take this down just for during this video, then I'll put it back up. It's probably okay nowadays to take the camera down because I think everything, the entire system works as I thought it would. Let's see what we got here. This variation of lettuces is incredible. I still don't know what this is. Look at the veins on this thing. Oh, you can't see it from there, but look at that. I don't know what this is, and I don't really trust these little spiky hairs on the back of this thing. It feels pretty good, but kind of sketched out about it. So I just love when I get a bouquet. This is a bouquet. Let me take one of these out. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Are you able to go to the supermarket and get something like this? Look at that bouquet. It literally looks like a bouquet of flowers. Unbelievable. Look at that nice thick head of lettuce. It's incredible what you can do inside your own grow garden. And this is my grow garden. Again, if you're new here, my name is Michael. I specialize in indoor hydroponics. I primarily focus on lettuce. Got a couple of new lettuces that I posted on that the seed needs, non-GMO seeds. I got a few of them germinating now. Hopefully we get this cleaned out in the next couple of days, start a new grow, and as promised, we're going to get the top row all populated as well as the bottom 3 reservoirs populated. And I did not forget, I owe you guys a video. We're going to do an experimental single pod hydroponic reservoir. I'm going to build that just from scratch. I'm going to take you through the entire video. But let's talk a little bit more about what we got going on here. A variation of bouquets. I mean, literally, this is a deep forest at this point. And this stuff has been growing not for that long, probably 3 weeks. Not for too long. And you know what? I had a really tough time transitioning everything because during the time that things were germinating, it took me quite a little bit of time to get everything down here, set up, put inside the reservoirs, get the water down here, even though I am working on getting a tap to the water from above, but there's a line that will allow me to actually bring the water down here. It'll just make things a lot easier because the way that I fill up the water now is I take pictures and I literally bring them to the reservoirs. And that's time consuming and it's tough. The last thing you want to do, you know, I mean, if this was all automated, which it is, it runs itself, but you still have to apply the water. You still have to put in the nutrients. Obviously, larger operations, they have ways to add the nutrients, and obviously they use a hose or whatever it is to add the water. I don't have that capacity and capability in the space that I'm in. I'm in a basement. I'm in a part of my basement that I've designated this beautiful, enormously, this large grow tent area. I've designated strictly for this, which is perfect. I'm going to get some air purifiers down here just to make sure it's not, you know, there's not a lot of dust, stuff like that, and just to take out whatever nasty particles I need to out of the air so my beautiful plants can continue growing without any issues. Now, I'm now forced to eat this. That is a beautiful piece of lettuce. Let's listen to the crunch. Whoa. That is awesome. You can tell that it's a very nice fresh veg. Really good too. I know you guys love hearing me munch on this lettuce, but I have no choice. It was broken. What am I gonna let it just sit there and die? No way. If you guys are not growing your own veg yet, please put everything down. Hit the links down below. Watch my older videos. Watch my largest video that already has over 700,000 views on teaching people worldwide how to create a reservoir, how to germinate seeds. I have a special method that I use that works every single time. Not many people I see using the same germination method that I use. I teach you everything: the reservoirs, the net pods, the rock wool, the pebbles, the water, pH levels, tubing, pumps, everything that you need. I teach in that single video. But also hit the links down below. You need the lighting, you need the shelving, you need everything here. But you don't need so much of it, and you don't need such a large scale. You could do it at much smaller scale just to start out, and I recommend that. You never know when food scarcity could come into your life, around your country, around your city, state, whatever it might be. At least you'll have some sort of understanding on what's possible when growing your own veg inside your own confined home, secretively or not, but you know that there's a possibility that you could grow something basically from nothing, as long as you got some seeds and the right equipment. Hopefully we never see the day, but it's certainly good, real good, to know how to grow. Because you know what? There could be a point in time where this piece of lettuce could cost as much as a Lamborghini. Man that has a Lamborghini but doesn't have food, oh, can't eat the Lamborghini. But him and his family could eat this. Knowledge is everything. And this is what this channel provides you. Motivation, knowledge, small little concepts of how to put this all together. You got yourself an indoor hydroponic grow. That's all you need. That's all you need. I don't ask for anything from you. Just a thumbs up for you to share this video and for you to visit me the next time I post another video. This way, every single time I when I post the video, make sure to hit the bell notification. And then you only have to do that once. This way you get notified every single time I upload a video. Let me turn the camera around for a second. But I want to make sure that you guys know that you can grow like this yourselves. Okay? You don't need anything fancy. You don't need fancy lights. You don't need fancy seeds. You don't need fancy reservoirs. This is all easily achievable. Okay? The information I provide is all free, and it's right down below. All you gotta do is watch the videos, take the time, and learn. Write it down if you need to. The A to Z video, how to put together your own hydroponic grow, learning hydroponics, it's unbelievable. It's like 59 minutes, and it's going to reach 1 million views at some point soon, probably in the next 8-9 months, maybe a year. But I appreciate everybody's support here, visiting me every single time I upload a video. I think you all want to learn. Everybody worldwide, so many people across the world are visiting this channel every single day to watch different videos that I have within the catalog of videos. I have well over 200 videos now. So, pretty exciting. Pretty exciting stuff. Anyway, guys, this is where we are. Looking a little ugly in there, but it's looking prettier in here. Look at those beautiful, beautiful root systems. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I gotta add some water. And honestly, I only fed these guys one time. One time. With the grow. Unbelievable. You know, a lot of people I feel like they dose their vegetables too often, too much. I like to just hit them one time with it, and this is the perfect amount of veg that I feel like each head of lettuce could produce. It'll probably get a little bigger, but this is the time to start consuming it, because if you wait a little longer, let's say you wait another week and a half, it'll get much bigger. It'll start overflowing even more than it is now. But the lettuce just gets bitter. That's the biggest problem. That is the biggest problem. Anyway, my friends, thank you all so much. Make sure to visit my Facebook page. I post cool photos after each video. I take photos, I post them on the Facebook page, which is facebook.com/growingindoors365. Please also visit me. I take random shots throughout the week on my Instagram, which is growingindoors365 at Instagram. If you want to learn about this, if you have any interesting inquiries for me, you could reach me at growingindoors365@gmail.com. That's growingindoors365@gmail.com. If you have an interesting product for me to review, or you're interested for me to build you a system, whatever it might be, you know, write me at the Gmail, growingindoors365.com. Very cool stuff going on here. Very excited to have a lot of different color variations across the top and bottom. I look forward to that, and that's upcoming real soon. We're gonna have a lot of fun here. Anyway, guys, my name is Michael. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another episode of What's in the Tent. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great week, guys.